If you want to open apps in pop-up view on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, then we have two main ways that allow you to do so. The first option is to simply open an app, then go to the list of background apps or recents, tap on the app icon that we have at the top of the preview, and then over here we have the open in pop-up view option. And there we go, we have this floating window mode now. We can of course grab by the icon to resize the window in case you need to do that. And also, if we tap on this line that we have at the top of the screen, you should be able to find some other options, like for example, you can go back to the full screen and so on and so forth. Besides that, the second option allows you to use a gesture to open an app in the pop-up view, but first we need to enable it in settings. So we're gonna go to settings, scroll down in here and go to advanced features. After that, we can proceed to the multi-window mode, the multi-window option. And then in here we have the swipe for pop-up view, which we can enable quite easily. You can also adjust the top corner area because, generally speaking, in order to now use this gesture, you need to grab by the upper left or upper right corner your app, and then just slide it inwards. There we go. This is how it looks like. But if you have trouble with the starting point, then of course you can make the area bigger so you have more space to do so. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.